Since the beginning of this year, Himachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur border, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat have faced uncontrollable forest fires. And now the forests of Uttarakhand are burning. So far, about 3,500 hectares of forest cover has been gutted. The fire has claimed the lives of 8 people and caused many other climate and health issues. The condition is getting worse. The fire became huge some days back. The government and the forest department have been trying to control the fire, but they are not able to control it completely. But how did the fire start? And what can be done to prevent such situations in the future? Let's find out. The forest of Rishikesh usually catches fire during this time of the year, but this time the fire has become uncontrollable and causing many issues. The increase in the amount of carbon in the air is making it polluted and is affecting the ozone layer badly. This may also cause many respiratory diseases. April-May is the season when forest fires take place in various parts of the country, but forest fires have been more frequent than usual in Uttarakhand this year, even in winters. The dry monsoon and mild winters have been considered as one of the reasons for the fires, but officials say many major fires in India are triggered mainly by human activities. This time the fire seems to be caused deliberately by humans. Even a small spark from a cigarette butt or a carelessly discarded lit matchstick can set the fire going. Like in Simlipal, the mahua flower collectors set up the fire. Activities like this need to be taken care of immediately. We need to save our forests. Many harmful effects are caused with the fires. Heat generating during the fire destroys animal habitat, soil quality decreases, soil moisture and fertility too is affected. Thus, forests can shrink in size. The trees that survive fire often remain stunted and growth is severely affected. Controlling the fire has become very difficult, especially during the summers when the dry air blows continuously. Like in Rishikesh right now, all we can try to do is prevent any future condition like this. And here's how. If you ever notice a fire that is burning out of control or is unattended, even a small one, you must report to the fire department or try to stop it by yourself. If you ever start a campfire, make sure you extinguish it completely before leaving. Use water or ashes to put out the flame. Never throw lit cigarettes, smoking materials or matches out of your car or on the ground. Cigarettes and matches both have enough heat to create a spark. Climate change is a big concern and might be one of the reasons for the fire. It must be controlled to save our planet. Saving our forest is our responsibility and we must take the responsibility right now. It's already late, but it's never too late to start doing something.